All right, process of removing the emergency brake assembly. So, really easy. So there's one screw that I've already taken off. It's right here. That's already come loose already. So there's one, and then firewall on the outside, right here. So we'll just get those unscrewed. All right, cut two nuts off. So it's loose now. Don't forget, we still have the cable still attached to it, so we're not going to pull all the way out for now. Well, maybe I will. So I'm going to pause and maybe I'll attach the cable. No, I just had it too tight. The brake was on a little bit. Oh, maybe so. There we go. Okay. So we're just going to drop that down for now like that. And the whole point of doing this was to remove the nut on the backside here that holds on the emergency brake switch, so I can remove the wire harness. So that's it for this video for removing this. You know what? I think I'll remove it all the way, so it's all one video. So hang on, I'll figure out how to remove the cable. All right, removing the cable. Brand handy tool, just a simple pick tool, and there's a clip that covers this face right here because this cable needs to come out, but it can't. So it kind of worked on a little bit. So you just get the clip and that clip off like that. Just a simple clip, and then the wire cable is loose. Can just come out like that. Presto. And then you got to remove the wire, and that's it. So good thing I took this off. It's pretty gross. Oh, and that is why I can't remove my kick panel. I've got a screw there. Maybe I can remove this finally. So we'll back to that.